Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create an Epic Games account. First, you need to go to any browser. You have to type Epic Games so that you can get this link. Click on that. After clicking on that, let it open. After that, you can see the option of sign in here. Click on sign in. There are multiple options by doing it an email address and password, but if you don't have account, then you can create account with any of this option. I'm going with the Google account right now. I'm going with the Google account right now. After selecting a Google account, click on continue. After loading, it will take you to this page where you can see. So it is asking you an option that you have an account or not. If you don't have account, then go for a create account. Click on create the create account option. So it will ask for some details like your birth date. Then press on continue. Then they will ask your display name. You have to add that. After adding that, you have to enable this option and carefully read the terms of services and the license agreement. Then you have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, it will take it will send you the code to verify in your Gmail account. Copy your code and then come here and paste your code and click on verify email. After doing that, it will show this window of success and then you have to click on continue. So after that, your account will be created and you can download the games of however you want. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, then make sure to like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.